Welcome to New Car Toyota Parts, where we ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the front and rear splash guard mud flaps for the 2013 to 2015 Toyota RAV4. These bolt directly onto your fenders to keep road grime, rocks, and moisture away from your paint and body panels. Here you can see the complete set with all mounting hardware included. This set fits RAV4 models from 2013 through 2015, including the LA, XLE, and limited trims. Splash guards shield your RAV4's paint and undercarriage from road debris, gravel, and mud kicked up by your tires. Without them, you're looking at chipped paint, corrosion, and costly body repairs down the line. Genuine Toyota mud flaps are molded to fit your 2013 to 2015 RAV4's exact contours, so they stay put and actually protect what matters. Browse our full catalog at newcartoyotaparts.com. Every part is genuine OEM, backed by warranty, guaranteed to fit, and ships fast. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN handy and we'll confirm the exact part you need. You can find your VIN on the driver's side dashboard, inside the door jamb, or on your registration card. It's 17 characters that tell us exactly what you're driving. Shop with New Car Toyota Parts for genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket when you can get the real thing.